Hello everyone, so in today's video we're going to look at this electrostatic mat. This is a silicone based material and silicone has multiple advantages. Let's go into the video. So this silicone mat is highly flexible. You can keep it anywhere if you're not using it. It doesn't take up much space. If you see, there are multiple sections given here. You can keep your screwdrivers, tweezers, and they also have lid based boxes, but these boxes only is helpful if you are placing it on a flat surface. So in case if the mat is bent, then it will automatically open. So these surfaces, you can see there is a difference. It's all magnetic. You can just see me holding this nuts over here. This section is also magnetic. There are 3 to 4 places where it is completely magnetic, and you can store your spares over there so that doesn't just float on the table. This is one. Okay, as I told you, this is for the screwdrivers. You can just hold on the screwdrivers. In case if you're having tweezers also, you can keep it over there. In case if you have very small size and you are going to regularly use it, you can even pin it over here. And again, this is a magnetic holder which will hold your screwdrivers intact. This storage container doesn't have much space, so only like few spares you can keep it inside. So make sure you don't expect a large space area. Okay, in this mat we actually have this as a circuit area. Hope that is the static charge area, and we also have a scale grading on the bottom which reads I think it reads 45 centimeter. So in case instantly if you want to have a scale reading, this would be helpful. Now I just wanted to check for soldering if it is going to take up the heat. I'm just pointing it in the corner so I don't damage it. Okay, it just made this mat little white. Let me show you how hot it is. So this is the flux. It's actually hot to melt the lead. Let me show you that it is hot to melt lead. So that's the lead, and it is melting. So yes, so the mat is actually heat resistant. I think the mat specified up to 600 degree, and your iron actually goes up to 350, and the mat is resistant. Just trying to resolder it. I just want to show you that the iron is completely hot. The whole mat, in case where it's completely heat resistant, so wherever you place your hot iron, it is still going to take up the heat. This mat really makes your work area a little neater, and it is easy to clean those greases and flux. Okay, now let's check if it is going to damage a puncturing. I'm just trying a sharp screwdriver. Okay, casual regular punches doesn't make any damages, but it may lead to cuts in case if the knife is too sharp. So it's really helpful device. Thank you.